name is Denise and welcome to my guest room. I'm not in my dressing room today because it's like a total mess, so you know what? I'll come down to the nice clean guest room and film here. So today, guys, I have a Coach unboxing. I went to the Coach boutique and I actually just went to go get my hand tags initial, but of course I found a couple things. So let's open them together. The first thing was this bag charm was sold out online, so I was actually really surprised to see it there. And I know you guys, you know, this has been around for like, what, a year now? You know, I'm always late to the game, and plus I like to wait for it to go on sale because, you know, I'm cheap like that. So there it is in the cute little Coach dust bag. And if you follow my Insta, you already know. Because you know what? It is so much easier to edit on Insta, guys. Because now I'm actually editing my own videos. So, wish me luck. So I got the crystal apple charm. Oh my gosh. I couldn't believe when I actually walked in there and there was one in there, and then the sales associate said they had like 5 left in the store. So I couldn't resist. I think it will go beautifully with my new haversack. Okay, so what else did I go? I haven't been to this boutique in a while, and you know what, guys? Again, when I went there, she asked me after she did. I took in like 3 or 4 hang tags. And she goes, "Oh, do you have an account with us?" After she had done everything. I go, "Yeah, I do." So she pulled out my name. Guys, she brought back up again my account from, it was 1997 or 98 that I bought one of my, my bucket bags there. And it had my old email address. And I said to her, I had such a hard time trying to access my original account online. And then she said, and it had my old address, like I don't even live in that city anymore. So she goes to me, "Oh, we'll just merge it for you." I go, "Okay, thanks." But it was so weird when she faced the tablet toward me. You could see all the information, and it had my husband's old cell phone number. Okay, so that was actually pretty interesting today. So, like I said, I only went in there for hang tags, and of course, oh my gosh, guys. Okay, this is not powder pink. I do have a couple pieces from the OG 2025 powder pink collection, but I wasn't able to get the pencil case, the notebook, all the stationery stuff that I love to do, like journaling and stuff. So lo and behold, this lowly little thing was sitting there. And then I asked her, I looked at the price tag, I was like, no, 300 something, no. And then she goes to me, "Oh, it's actually been marked down twice." And I was like, "Oh." So she pulled it up. The second markdown was 168. I was like, I don't think so. And she goes, "Okay, the third markdown is $99. I was like, "Cheddar." I'm going to take it. So it is called actually Pink Melon. So I'm going to do a video on my powder pink, which, you know, it's been like, what, a year and a half, guys? But, you know, whatevs. I love, you guys know I love pink. So, you know what? Plus, I took that 6 months hiatus. So, of course, I'm late to the game. So, I got, oh my gosh, guys. I got it initialed, right? And I actually plan to use this to take these hooks off and use it as a pencil case. For my nice pens. So anyways, I guess it's called the oh my gosh, the barrel bag. So yeah, so in Pink Melon, I just thought it was so cute. And then of course it came with a crossbody strap that will never see the light of day in my lifetime. So you might as well just, you know, fold this up, or I don't know, round it up or whatever, and it'll be going to the abyss of chains, crossbody chains that I never use. So yeah, it's actually, I mean, I think it's actually it's pretty spacious. And I wasn't joking when I said I want to use it. I do lots of craft and journaling, so I wanted like a bigger kind of little bag or pencil case to put my I have a few fountain pens and some really nice pencils, so I thought this would actually be perfect. And she even said to me, she goes, oh, if you don't mind taking it, this is the last one. We don't have one in the back. And I'm like, well, everybody's paws have been all on it, but, you know, I guess for like, you know, that kind of discount, no problem. So, yeah, that's what I got. And I got, like I said, three hang tags done, and I'll show them to you when I do next video with the bags. So that's it, guys. Let's end it with these gorgeous crystal cherries. I'm so happy to get it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.